Knowledge gained through experience is far superior and many times more useful than bookish knowledge. Today my topic is so much related to our real life. Nobody likes a reader, right? If you are constantly looking at your notes or just reading off, you seem unengaged and unprepared. Hello and welcome to you all. My name is Sudhati Ghosh. Today I am going to discuss on importance of pointers in creating videos. The speech should feel natural. Good speakers sound as if the words just came to them in a conversation. To be a good speaker, you do not need to memorize the whole conversation. There is a method of memorizing it. In fact, if you memorize the whole speech and then deliver, you will sound little robotic. But you maintain the method, right method, you will be able to deliver the whole speech but naturally. Stay tuned till the end to get the idea. Let's begin. The first step is to write it out. Simply write it out, the whole speech, exactly how you want to say it. This will create a visual memory which is very helpful. See, I have written the whole script. This is my today's script. This is my today's script. This will create a visual memory in my mind. Second part is to read the script 2-3 times. This will help you remember the script. Remember your student life and memorize your script by reading it out 2-3 times. Now here comes the most important part. Write it out, bullet points of the speech. As I told earlier, that you do not have to remember the whole speech word for word. Just write it out, the bullet points, and you now remember the speech while delivering. Just elaborate those points in your own words. That will look more natural. That is how you will be able to deliver a more natural and error-free speech. Let's take an example. In my earlier video, wherein I have discussed on the topic knowledge versus experience, which is more useful, after writing and reading it for 2-3 times, I have written the bullet points of this speech. Here comes the bullet points of my topic on knowledge and experience. The first point was about introduction, wherein I have introduced myself and the topic. Then comes the definition of knowledge point. Then definition of experience. Next comes the point wherein I have discussed the difference between knowledge and experience. Then I have given few examples of knowledge and experience. In my next part, I have given some examples of knowledge and experience. The next bullet point was my opinion about knowledge and experience and how I have gained knowledge through experience. And I have given a few examples of my own story. Then comes the conclusion part and the outro part. Please watch the video to get the full script. This is a very important point and very useful point. If you make bullet points of your speech, it would be easier for you to deliver more naturally because you already have a photographic memory of the speech. Now elaborate each point in your own words. You will see the result. If you are a newbie and you are worried about how you are going to deliver the speech without looking at it, please listen to me, and this is my promise that you are going to get good results. Please practice this and let me know if this has been an useful information for you. Hope you liked my video. We'll come up with a new topic very soon. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.